Welcome. In front of me I have the AMAZFIT Watch GTR Mini, and I'll go over unboxing along with a quick look at the product itself. So anyway, let's get straight into it. There we go. Now before I pop it open, I'm going to see if there's any kind of info at the back, and we do have input. That doesn't really matter. Get a closer look. Here we have some info right here. So slim and stylish design with stainless steel, 1.28 inch HD AMOLED display. The fact that it's AMOLED is actually pretty good. 120 sport modes and smart recognition. 5 satellite positioning systems. Okay. 24-hour heart rate, blood oxygenation, and stress monitoring, and ultra-long battery life. The ultra-long battery life is a standard for most smart bands that don't run Android operating systems. So it's not like this is some groundbreaking stuff right here. Anyway, getting into it. So here we have the watch itself. There we go. Now this has like a pinkish bend to it. It kind of looks on camera a bit more towards white, but if I place it on actual white, you can see that it does have a bit of a different tint to it. Camera picks it up more towards like a grayish color, from at least what I can see on the monitor, but this is more towards pink. But yeah, anyway. Let's yank that off and just get a look at the display. Is it going to boot up? Oh, there we go. You can see the AMOLED display being really vibrant, bright right here. So the AMAZFIT writing is relatively bright and the colors are super vivid. So that obviously makes the watch look pretty nice when looking at the display itself. Other than that, the thickness of the watch itself is also on a smaller side, and the weight of the watch also on closer to like a lighter side. Though it doesn't feel like the weight is making it feel like it's cheap or anything like that. Now the little button right here, even though it kind of rotates, it doesn't have any function. It just rotates because it rotates. There is no like rotating crown function. And here you can see we have language selection. I'm not going to be going to the setup. So there we go. That is the AMAZFIT GTR Mini. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.